What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with another shop update live from Milwaukee, Washington. We got a lot to go over today, and we will get right into it. But before we do, we want to thank you. We got some new lights today. Really excited, and we will continue to improve our video skills or production here at Spawn Fly Fish, all thanks to your support. So, want to get that first and foremost front and center. So, we will jump right into things. As you guys have seen, a bunch is changing and improving on our website, or at least hopefully you're seeing that and experiencing that. Right now, we got a January's deals section. We will continue to have these deals pages intermittently throughout the year, and we are going to go over a few items that are on it. Echo Trout, all around great trout rod for all your trout needs, whether indicator, streamer, dry fly. From that 30 to 50 foot range cast, this is a phenomenal rod. Check this out. Heavy discount right now. We love Echo rods, and we know you will too. This is on the deals page, so be sure to check that out. Awesome rod, fantastic company. We have them in 4, 5, and 6 weight in stock, ready to ship today. Another hot item on the deals page. We have one, I repeat that, one black NVG Nautilus 910 right hand retrieve. We are super stoked on Nautilus reels always, but this one we will not be restocking. So we got one left, complete offload. Once it's gone, it's gone. So take advantage of that. Pete and I both own Nautilus reels. Can't say enough good things about them. Speaking of reels, Tibor, always hot, but not always in stock. So that's a signature series there. We do have some signature series, but we want to give everybody a heads up. We do have some Riptides and Everglades on the way. We got the shipping notification 2 days ago, so those will be landing any day. And if you're in the market for a Tibor, be sure you pay attention to our website, because as soon as we upload them, they don't last long. So, really excited about that. As far as what's back in stock, we showcased this a little bit. We got our Arizona Semi-Seal dispensers, as well as all the other Arizona Semi-Seal blends back in stock. Although we make all of our Spawn Semi-Seal here, we want to give love to where it all started. And John Romer is a great friend of ours, so we want to showcase that and let you guys know that they are back in stock. We also don't have them right here, but we have hundreds of white bucktails back in stock. So if you're coming to visit us this week, or you're coming to visit soon, know that we have white bucktails. We've been out of stock of them for a long time. Hairline got us them ASAP as soon as they had them, so we are super excited about that. Check them out on the website or come see us. As far as what's new, we got our golden pheasant body feathers. We have every color of these. They just hit the website. Super excited of that. Pete did a phenomenal job photographing these products. They look great. They work great. If you're in the market for them, we got them every color. Another great product that we have that just hit the site, possum fur. We got it. Every single color from Hairline. Super excited about that. We've already sold a few. All photographed, ready to ship out today. Another new product, might not be my favorite, might not be Pete's favorite, but could be yours. And that's what's important here at Spawn Fly Fish. Whether or not we like it, if you want it, we will go out of our way to source it. Starling skins are live on the website. We got a bunch of them. So if you're in the market for a starling skin, we got them. That really sums it up for as far as our products go. I know that's a lot of information, but keep in mind that it will continually change, and we will keep things rocking and rolling. And if you don't see something on our website, we want to continue to reiterate that fact that we will source it from you. Whether it's a Winston rod or it's a starling skin, we want to be your shop. Fishing. Everybody looks forward to the fishing reports. Right now, we have had some disastrous weather. It has been miserable down here, whether it's 70-mile-an-hour winds or an inch of rain a day. It's been challenging to say the least. High water flows, a lot of wind, make for a poor fishing experience. So, keep that in mind when you're planning a trip out here. Watch the river gauges. They're online, really easy to follow. A bunch of our major systems right now are on the drop, so it's really promising as we move into the weekend. There is some rain in the forecast, so pay attention to those river flows. Pete and I are eager to get out and land our first steelhead of the season, which will come soon, I'm sure of it. The other information that you guys have all been waiting for, we're really excited. I know you guys are going to be excited. Fly tying nights back here at Spawn Fly Fish. January 20th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. we will be having a fly tying night back here at Spawn Fly Fish. The class is free and we are super excited to have you guys sign up. There are 12 seats. I know it's not a lot, but it really fills up the front end of the shop here. If you want to sign up, be sure to reach out, whether it's phone, email, direct message, or if you swing by here in the shop, we will have a sign-up sheet, but be sure to get ahead of it and sign up ASAP. The spots usually fill up very quickly. Pete leads a phenomenal class, whether you're entry level or a master, these classes are for you. So, we look forward to seeing you on the 20th. I'll be there, be really excited, and Pete will be leading the charge. That does it for us here at Spawn Fly Fish. Super excited. We hope this experience got a little better. We're continually trying to get a little better. And do us a favor, hit like, hit subscribe, and buy some more of these products, and we'll get them out the door.